Good morning to one and all. In today's lecture of the power system stability, we had to discuss the another concept of that introduction stability, that is a Park transformation. In the previous lecture of that power system stability, we had discussed the voltage equation of the synchronous machine. So in terms of the Park transformation, that is one of the new concept that is very much essential useful to define or to analyze the synchronous machine that are working in the three-phase supply into the two-phase supply. Okay, so generally the Park transformation is nothing but the transformation that are generally introduced by the one of the scientists, that name is nothing but the Park, to the electric machine analysis. Okay. He just formulated the number of the change of the variable associated with a three-phase winding rotating with the rotor. Means what? The rotor across the, as we all know, in terms of the synchronous machine or the any three-phase AC machine, the three-phase supply, it should be the to analyze that three-phase supply at the same time. It's a very complicated one. So that Park is just introduced the new analysis that to analyze the three-phase supply into the two-phase stationary supply. Okay, so that is nothing but the three-phase ABC into the D and Q axis. So that D stand for is nothing but what? Direct axis, and the Q stand for quadrature axis. So he just referred the stator and the rotor variable to the reference frame फिक्स ऑन दैट रोटर मीन्स व्हाट, जो भी रोटेटिंग फ्रेम था स्टेटर और रोटर का, in terms of that rotating frame, it just converted into the stationary frame to the reference frame किसको बनाया है, that is nothing but the on the rotor. So from the rotor point of view, all the variable can be observed at a constant values. So from the stator point of view, all the variable is nothing but the rotating point of view or the changing point of view. But from the rotor point of view, all the variables should be nothing but observed. It should be the stationary or the constant point of view. So basically, what that Park transformation, it should be the carried out. How it is carried out? It just is nothing but a revolution in the machine analysis, having the unique property of eliminating all the time varying inductance, like from the voltage equation of that three-phase AC machine due to the rotor spinning. Okay, so Park transformation क्या कर रहा है? It just eliminating all the time varying inductance, all the flux leakage and all that parameters of that voltage equation of the three-phase AC machine due to the rotor spinning. So it's not even a well-known three-phase to the two-phase transformation in the synchronous machine analysis, and it's very much useful for the analysis of that synchronous or the any electrical machines. Okay, next, the Park is nothing but just the simplification in the mathematical description of that synchronous machine, which are obtained a certain transformation of the variable in the perform. Means what? The transformation from the three phase to the two phase of the voltage equation of the three phase voltage equation of three phase synchronous machine, it should be the carried out by that transformation is generally called as Park transformation. So basically what is the Park transformation? It defines the new state of the stationary variable in term of what? Current बोलो या फिर voltage बोलो या फिर flux linkage in the term of actual winding variable. So it just provide the transformation of any electrical quantity of the three phase into the two phase. What are the different electrical quantities? Number one is voltage, second is nothing but the current, third is nothing but the flux linkage in terms of the actual winding variables and the parameters. So basically in terms of the new quantity are obtained from the projection of the actual variable on the three axis. थ्री एक्सिस पे उसका एक्चुअल वेरिएबल कैसे होगा? फ्रॉम द रोटर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. सो रोटर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सब स्टेशनरी है. अब स्टेशनरी है तो फ्रॉम द रोटर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, one is nothing but the direct axis आएगा, second is nothing but the quadrature axis आएगा, and third is nothing but the stationary or the neutral axis will be there. That is nothing but the neutral axis or the stationary axis or the reference axis that is there. Okay, so the new quantity which are obtained from the three phase to the two phase transformation of the current, voltage or the any flux linkage from the actual variables on their axis, the first along the direct axis, second along the quadrature axis, that is on the field winding, third is on the stationary axis. Okay, so we just observed the how that transformation or that we have to observe on the any electrical machine. So this is nothing but a one of the simplified diagram of the three-phase supply of any electrical machine which are rotating, which are apart from each other by that 120 degree itself. Okay, so it consists of what? Okay, it consists of the three phase six mutually coupled coil. How that six mutually coupled coil? Three for the three phase, second for two for the quadrature axis and the direct axis, and second two damper winding, that is but the dt dash and the qq dash. Okay, so basically in terms of that mutually coupling of that any phases, three phase supply into the two phase supply, the three phase supply, that is nothing but the that are already a three phase winding having the supply is nothing but what? First is nothing but the A phase, second is nothing but the B phase, and third is nothing but the C phase is there. Okay, and whereas all the phases, that is three phase, are there are should be the apart from each other by the 120 degree itself. Kitna degree hai? 120 degree itself. There is a phase displacement is there. Again, so the three phase winding, that is SA, FA, second SB, FB, third SC, FC, having the number is that, but the three numbers is there. Okay, so the SA stationary frame with respect to field, that is a field frame across the phase A, stationary frame of B across the stationary field frame of B, and for the C it should be the number is ready, but the C quantity is there. Okay, so same for the one field winding FF dash along the direct axis only. FF dash किसके across है? Direct axis के across अपन ने क्या लिया है? That is nothing but the FF dash. And again the two damper winding, that is the DD dash and the QQ dash is there. That is a total two knots is there. So to total six mutually coupled coils are there. But for the simplification point of view, we have to analyze the only the one phase, that is a for the analysis point of view too, because for the if the we have to analyze the all the three phase at the same time, it should be the very complicated. So we have to just convert that three phase into the two phase supply. That is what A phase को पहले transfer करोगे, second B phase को transfer करोगे, then C phase को transfer करोगे. किसके frame में? सबसे पहले D axis, second is nothing but the Q axis, quadrature axis, and third is nothing but the stationary axis. Okay, that is nothing but the neutral axis. Okay. So if you are able to write out the flux linkage, that is the MMF across the field winding. सबसे पहले first we have to finding out the MMF across the flux linkage, that is the MMF across the phase A, second phase B, third phase C, that is the neutral axis. उसके बाद में that is direct axis, quadrature axis, and the stationary frame. Okay, so the total number of MMF across the whole coil is nothing but कितना आएंगे? That is nothing but the six quantities there. That's right, that is the six quantities there. Number one, MMF across phase A, MMF across phase B, third MMF across phase C, then for the field winding, then for the quadrature axis, then for the direct axis, then for the quadrature axis. Okay, so this is nothing but the MMF across coil A along the D axis. Whereas what is that L? L stand for is nothing but the inductance. Okay, एक तो mutual रहेगा, second is nothing but the self is there. So for those the starting point of view, that LAA, LAB, LAC, LFA, LAD, LAQ, that LAA is nothing but a what? It's a self inductance of that coil phase A. Second LAB, it's a mutual with respect to B, C, F, D, A, Q. Okay, so ये हो गया उसका A, B, C, F, D, Q. It's nothing but the all the axes or the phases are there, and whereas IA, IB, and IC, so again the current is there, because all we know that is the MMF across any coil is nothing but the L into I is there. Okay, L, that is a parameter, and another, that is a product, that is multiply. L should be multiplied by that current quantities. That current quantity कौन सी आएगी? IA आएगा, IB आएगा, IC आएगा, IF आएगा, ID and IQ is there. Okay, so we may same for the, we have to return for that. That is not even the for the B phase, MMF across B phase, second MMF across C phase, MMF across field winding, MMF across D and Q. So here we have to observe that is nothing but that BB dash is a and CC dash LFF LDD and LQQ. It's all is nothing but what? It's a self-inductance across the A, B, C, F, D, Q respectively. Whereas remaining quantities of that inductance we are here written in the matrix form are is nothing but that is what is that? It's a that is a mutual inductance is there with respect to the remaining phases are there. Okay, so MMF set by the coil A along the D axis we may is nothing but what? That is a Km into the IA cos of theta, whereas cos of theta is nothing but what? It's a phase angle between the uh, uh, a axis with respect to d axis. That is nothing but a axis और d axis के इसमें क्या है? Angle कितना है? Theta is there. That's why that angle is we are written is nothing but the km I into the cos of theta. As we all know, the phase A, B, and the C are should be the phase displacement of the 120 degree will be there from the each other. Okay, so B phase कितना रहेगा? A phase से minus 120 degree. That's why that cos of theta minus 120 degree angle is there. Okay, and third for the MMF set by the coil C along the D axis is nothing but the Km IC cos of theta minus 240 with respect to the phase A along the D axis. Means what? यहाँ पे C phase का एंगल A phase का D के साथ एंगल कितना है? थीटा. अब A phase का B phase के साथ एंगल कितना है? 120. Now the angle between from the A phase to the C phase, what is the angle is there? कितना आएगा? 120 plus 120 that is nothing but the 240. Okay, so that's why here the minus 240 is there. Okay, so if just add the totally MMF across the D coil, अगर D coil के across MMF निकालना है तो क्या निकलेगा? It just addition of that all the MMF across the A, B and the C. That simple addition is there. So that Km IA cos of theta plus IB cos of theta minus 120 plus IC cos of theta minus 240. Okay, so that MMF set by the coil D, it should be we made all set by the coil D is not equal to what? That is a 3 by 2 Km into the ID. Okay, that is not equal to that Km into the ID is there. So this is not equal to value of that, it's value of ID. Okay, so the MMF set by the coil D is not equal to Km into the ID. So this is the parameter of that. ये कौन सा वैल्यू हो जाएगा? ये टोटल वैल्यू इज नथिंग बट द ID is there. Okay, so that ID is nothing but the 2 by 3 A. ID is equal to 2 by 3 MMF कितना है? A cos of theta minus IB cos of theta minus ये that is a cos of theta plus IB cos of theta minus 120 plus IB IC cos of theta minus 230. Same we have to finding out for the Q phase, that is quadrature axis and the stationary axis. Okay, quadrature axis और direct axis में only difference क्या आएगा? Because the quadrature axis and the if you have to return in the two phases, three phase apply into the two phase, तो सबसे पहले क्या आता है? This is nothing but the D axis. Okay, and this is nothing but the quadrature axis. और quadrature axis का अपन किसके फॉर्म में लिखते हैं? That is nothing but the sine of theta. Whereas quadrature axis it should be written in the cos form. Okay, तो ये एंगल कितना रहता है? That is nothing but the 90 degree. तो दोनों के बीच में एंगल कितना है? 90 degree. So that's why that parameters of that 2 by 3 IA, this the cos should be replaced by the sine in terms of the quadrature. अगर मुझे IQ करंट निकालना है of the three phases of that stationary rotating frame into the two phase of that stationary frame, means what? ABC को अपन कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं DQ और the and the zero axis. Okay, so that IA 2 by 3 IA cos of theta plus IB cos of theta IB cos of theta minus 120 plus IC cos of theta minus 240 should be the changes with the 2 by 3 into the IA. साइन चेंज हो गया, यहाँ पे साइन पैरामीटर आ गया, यहाँ पे साइन पैरामीटर है. अनदर all the remaining quantity are should be same as compared to the ID. So the ID and the IQ, the only changes is that but the cost should be changed with the sine, because both is nothing but reflect with the 90-degree quadrature axis, and the डायक should be reflect with the sine and the cos respectively. Whereas stationary frame क्या रहने वाला है? It's just a addition of what is a stationary frame? That is a but it's a just addition of what? That is a cos theta plus also the sin theta, because we all know that is nothing but the id plus iq. It's nothing but the I0. So I0 is nothing but the addition of the ID plus IQ, because we, but ID plus IQ अपन जब करेंगे तो as we all know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to कितना आता है 1. That's why I0 is equal to 1 by 3, that is a 1 by 3 into the IA plus IB plus IC is there. Okay, so if you have to write out that equation in the terms of the matrix form, that ID, IQ and the IQ is a 2 by 3 multiplied by their parameters, that is the K for parameters, cos of theta minus 120, cos of theta minus 240, same for the 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and multiply by that current parameter of that phase A, B and C. So these are the two phase parameters are there, and this is nothing but the three phase parameters are there. Okay, the same for that. यहाँ पे तो अपन ने current parameters निकाले. Now we are able to write out in the same parameters with respect to that. That is a voltage parameters निकाल सकते हैं, flux linkage निकाल सकते हैं. ओके अगर मैं यहाँ पे निकालना है, अगर इफ आई टू फाइंडिंग आउट द पैरामीटर्स ऑफ दैट एबीसी, अगेन थ्री फेज को फिर से निकालना है फ्रॉम द टू फेज, तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसका इनवर्स लेना पड़ेगा. सो दिस ब्लॉक दैट मैट्रिक्स ब्लॉक्स वी मे कॉल इट द पार्क मैट्रिक्स, दैट इज द पी मैट्रिक्स ऑफ द पार्क मैट्रिक्स. दैट्स व्हाई एबीसी इज इक्वल टू पी इनवर्स ऑफ दैट v0 into the dq is there. So p inverse is nothing but 2 by 3 cos of theta sin theta 1 by 2. जस्ट इसका अपन ने p इनवर्स क्या निकाला, इट्स अ ट्रांसपोज ऑफ दैट pt. p इनवर्स क्या है, इट्स नथिंग बट द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ दैट p मैट्रिक्स. यहाँ का अगर मैं ट्रांसपोज कर लूं तो cos थीटा cos of theta minus 120 और cos of theta minus, ये जो भी रो पैरामीटर शुड बी चेंजेस विद द कॉलम पैरामीटर्स. रो चेंज हो गया कॉलम में, तो cos of theta minus 120 cos of theta minus 240 sin minus 120 minus 420 1. So row changes should be column, so that we get a p inverse, that p is orthogonal and p is nothing but the Park transformation of the 3 by 3 matrix. So this is nothing but the Park transformation is there, in which that we are able to convert, or we have to analyze the three phase electrical machine into the two phase analysis, that is nothing but the direct axis and the quadrature axis of the any electrical parameter like voltage, current and the flux linkage. Okay, so in next lecture we have to discuss the another concept of that stability, that is nothing but that transient and the subtransient analysis of that electrical machines. Thank you so much.